Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg, fellow cleaning service owner, coach, and training kit developer. And if you're a business owner, you know the difficulties, the challenges there are in trying to teach your cleaners to clean a home perfectly every single time they clean the house. Well, what if I told you that I have an online training program that does exactly that? And then what if I told you that I will also train your trainers how to implement this program so that they will never, ever have to pick up a cleaning cloth again while they're training? What kind of an impact do you think that would have on your organization? I've seen it with my own eyes, the impact that this paradigm shift will have on your ability to get stars in training positions. And those positions are so important when it comes to developing your company. I worked in a company where the owner had an employee, a cleaner, for 14 years. She loved this employee, and she constantly asked her to be a trainer, and this employee kept saying, I'm not going to do it. I started in her office on Monday. I trained people all week long. And when I got back to the office on Friday afternoon, this owner was not happy with everything I had done that week, but she sat me down. As a matter of fact, gave me a wonderful gift, a picture we'll treasure forever that's in our sports bar, because that cleaner came into that owner's office that morning and said, I'll take that job. Why? Because she would never have to clean again when she was training. And really, it wasn't that tough if they didn't show up the next day, because she was just standing there watching them. A total paradigm shift, and exactly what should happen if your trainee is prepared to be trained. And that's what the training kit does. And last, but certainly not least, what if I told you you can have that same premium training kit that I used to charge $6,000 to $8,000 for a fraction of the cost today? Train the Trainer virtual coaching program, an affordable and effective way to master professional cleaning training, is now available without breaking the bank. In the past, I'd spend a full week in the field training cleaners while teaching the trainer. It was great, but it was expensive, and smaller companies, the ones who really needed it the most, just couldn't afford it. And you really didn't need me training all your cleaners, it was just convenient. But once your trainer knows that, they can train the rest of your cleaners. So now, thanks to virtual coaching, I can sit at my desk, watch your trainer in action, and guide them just like I did in person in the past. Our strategic step-by-step training is different. It's designed to make sense to cleaners so they actually use it. The animated format makes it fun and engaging, and the editable manuals ensure it works for your company's unique needs. Your trainers will watch Bella and the professor demonstrate the process, then shadow new trainees in the field to implement it so the training sticks. Right now, you can get the online total training program, the welcome videos, the process animated videos, the editable manual, the quizzes, and myself training your trainer. But I guarantee you this offer will not last forever, because this is catching on. This is a paradigm shift for your office, for your company, and for your scaling ability. Let's build you a team that cleans efficiently, correctly, and consistently every single time they clean a home. Hope to see you soon.